Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 2-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touchscreen display, capless fuel filler system, audio, speed-sensitive volume control, child safety locks, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance, multifunction display, door courtesy lights, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.